Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising on the highway, and suddenly, your car jerks while shifting gears, or worse, it refuses to shift at all. You pull out your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0963 appears. This means there's a high voltage issue with the pressure control solenoid A, which is crucial for smooth gear changes. If left unchecked, this can lead to harsh shifting, transmission slipping, or even total transmission failure. But don't worry, today we'll discuss what P0963 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0963? DTC P0963 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid A Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, regulates transmission pressure using solenoids. If solenoid A receives too much voltage, it can cause excessive hydraulic pressure, leading to hard shifting or transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0963. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or erratic shifting, transmission slipping, high RPMs but no acceleration, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light limp mode, stuck in one gear. Overheating transmission sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0963, check these key components. Pressure control, solenoid A location. Inside the transmission valve body, alongside other solenoids. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Transmission control module, TCM, location, usually found near the battery, inside the transmission or under the dashboard. Function, sends voltage to the solenoid to regulate transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case, near the fluid lines. Function, measures transmission fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs from the TCM to the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals to regulate hydraulic pressure. What causes P0963? 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid A. Internal failure causes high voltage spikes. 2. Shorted wiring or connectors. Exposed wires or corroded connectors cause voltage surges. 3. Transmission control module, TCM, malfunction, sends incorrect voltage signals. 4. Bad ground connection. Poor electrical grounding leads to unstable voltage. 5. High battery voltage, overcharging alternator. Excessive voltage affects the solenoid circuit. How to fix P0963? Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or dirty fluid can cause erratic shifting. If dirty, flush and replace with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, shorted, or corroded wires. Fix any loose connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. A. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3-10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check battery and alternator voltage. A failing alternator can overcharge the system. Test the alternator output, should be 13.5V-14.5V. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the transmission control module. Drive the car and check if the shifting improves. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for at least 10-15 miles to check for normal operation. Final words. If your car has P0963, it means the pressure control solenoid A is receiving too much voltage, leading to erratic shifting and possible transmission failure. Fixing this issue early can save you from costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0793, intermediate shaft speed sensor circuit malfunction. P0794, transmission input, speed sensor circuit range, performance. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.